Hello everyone. People often get confused with nouns and their respective verbs both while speaking and while writing. Now, considering this channel is pretty new and I already have 2 of these videos, this is one more of those. Today we will talk about 6 of such pairs that people often get confused with. Now, I suggest you pay close attention to how these words are pronounced. Now, starting with the first pair, I have belief and believe. Belief with F at the end is the noun and believe is the verb. Example sentences. Her performance on stage was beyond belief. Her performance on stage was beyond belief. Belief is the noun. Now, for the verb, you could say believe in yourself as it's the only way to survive. Believe in yourself as it's the only way to survive. The second pair is the one that I think people already know, and it's not something that people mistake with. It's death and die. Now, death is the noun and die is the verb. Example sentences. His death changed everything in the family. His death changed everything in the family. For die, you could say, there are still people who die from starvation. There are still people who die from starvation. The next pair I have is pleasure and please. Pleasure is the noun and please is the verb. Let's take a couple of example sentences. My mother takes great pleasure in cooking for all of us. My mother takes great pleasure in cooking for all of us. Now, for please, you could say, he did all he could to please her. He did all he could to please her. The next pair I have is the one that people get wrong most of the times. That is loss and lose. Now, loss is the noun and lose is the verb. For example, the loss of his son was too great for him to bear. The loss of his son was too great for him to bear. Now, for lose, you could say, the Indian cricket team lost again. By the way, lost is the simple past of lose. Now, one quick little reminder here, guys. There is another lose with double O's, and that's the one to use when you want to say something that is not tight. Now, let's get on to the next pair, that is cloth and clothe. Now, cloth is the noun and clothe with E at the end is the verb. For example, she started cleaning the clothes when she heard him approaching. She started cleaning the clothes when she heard him approaching. For clothe, you could say, people often clothe their children in cute and funny cloths. People often clothe their children in funny and cute cloths. Now, in this sentence, as you can see, clothe is the verb and cute and funny cloths, that cloths is the noun. That's actually the plural of cloth. Now, the last pair for this video is envelope and envelope. Now, envelope with E at the end is the noun and envelope is the verb. Now, using it as a noun, you could say, he pulled an envelope from his pocket. He pulled an envelope from his pocket. For envelope, you know the verb, you could say, she came out enveloped in a long black coat. She came out enveloped in a long black coat. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope you could learn something new from this video, something you didn't know. And if you think that this video was worth your time, then do give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.